In this tutorial, we will see that how you can get TradingView Premium for free. Simply, you just need to follow step by step. For the first step, you can open any of the browser and simply search for Black Ball Market TradingView. Search it. Here it will show you these tons of websites. You have to scroll it down until you find this free TradingView Premium. You can simply open it. After opening this, you will find here a dashboard like this. Simply, you need to join it first to get free TradingView. Click on that join now. You can continue with these three options. I will continue with my Google account. After linking with your Google account, it will show you this type of window here to create an account. You can type your middle name, your date of birth, your country of residence, and your number. If you are not US resident or citizen, you can check this and simply click on that register. Here you will see window like this. Now on the left side, you will find some of more options where you need to open this trading platforms. Here you can find this trading view. Simply click on that, download links, and it will take you to this website here of TradingView. Then you will be able to download this TradingView to your device, and you can use this TradingView Premium through Black Ball Market. So that's how you can get TradingView Premium for free in just few steps.